Welcome to one more episode of Hampi. In today's vlog, we will see Virupaksha Temple, Shoppers Market for tourists, and monolithic Nandi. This huge marvel is a 7th century UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the oldest temple of Hampi, hosting 3 pujas, and people have been visiting this temple from thousands of years. So we are at the east gate of the Virupaksha temple. और कब बना था यार? And you stand inside this tall tower which is like sky kissing. You see the structures and the carvings on the temple. They will take your breath away for sure. एक काफ़ी प्रचलित और लोकप्रिय लीजन कहें या दंतकथा कहें जो विरूपक्ष मंदिर को लेके है, जहाँ पे भगवान विरूपक्ष यानी शिवजी और देवी पंपा या पार्वती इनके विवाह से जुड़ी हुई बात है। सो देवी पंपा चाहती थी कि वो भगवान शिव से विवाह करें और इसी इच्छा के चलते उन्होंने नज़दीकी पहाड़ियों में काफ़ी सालों तक तपस्या की। अंततः भगवान शिव ने उनके समर्पण को समझते हुए उनसे विवाह कर लिया। माना जाता है जिस जगह उनका विवाह संपन्न हुआ वहीं विरूपक्ष मंदिर को स्थापित किया गया। We are staying in the vicinity of this temple. We are at Virupaksha temple and this is the Pravesh Dar, which is a Mukhya Dwar, and you see one Nandi here which is one-headed. But the specialty here is you can see another Nandi which has 3 heads. So when you come, don't miss out these minute details. You will spend one day to learn कुछ भी अगर जानना है एक जगह के बारे में, बट इतना समय नहीं होता है. So try to find out those nuances जिससे बहुत आनंद मिले और कुछ हम शेयर भी कर पाएँ. Hello. See whom we met in the morning. Hello. No. This temple is 165 foot tall and is 9 story. And that time, oh my god, 9 story. 9 is a lucky number of God, by the way. This was made by Chalukya and Hosala kings and later was developed into a huge complex by Vijayanagar rulers. यहाँ 2 खास उत्सव होते हैं, एक है महाशिवरात्रि और दूसरा दशहरा बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. So normally this is the place wherein elephant is tied and then he blesses you and then you begin your journey. So गज आपको आशीर्वाद देके फिर शुरुआत होती है. Then you take this pradakshina and then you go to the main temple. So how it happens is Surya Namaskar, then Gaja Ashirwad and then pradakshina.
अभिषेक होने के बाद तो बंदरों को खाने के लिए रखी थी.
अच्छा.
और ये ध्यान पीठा भगवान को कुछ मांगने के लिए, अच्छा बुरा मांगने के लिए उसको पकड़ के ऐसा अभी माँ साहब पकड़े है ना मैडम जी, ऐसा ही ऐसा पकड़ के भगवान को मांगते जी, दीप रखते. सो ये हुआ ज्योति पीठा, ये हुआ ध्यान पीठा, ये हुआ बलि पीठा, वो हुआ ध्वज पीठा और नंदी पीठा, पंचपीठ. तो 5 हो गए. 5. This is a female elephant. This is a male and going to delivery. Okay. Baby. Okay. So it's making slowly. Okay. यहाँ से होगी सूर्य नमस्कार से, फिर वे ऑफ लाइफ जिसे बोलते हैं वही है ना. और नीचे का पत्थर से बनाया, ऊपर का चूने से बनाया, स्टको फिगर. हाँ. So sweet, yeah. Okay guys, we were seriously waiting for this.
And you see, this is moving. The main temple, which is touching the sky, this is the opposite reverse image that you can see upside down, and then the image will move. The light. Okay. You close the light also, you see the temple, but moment you have the light, the image will move. Okay, we are in the Hampi market, and what more you can do in Hampi is you can hire that bicycle and you can have a stroll of the city. You can also hire a bike and you can be on your own and explore on your own. And this is that village feel in the Hampi city. You see a market, yet you see nice beautiful rangoli in front of every house. These are the souvenirs that you can carry along with. See? Bags for those who want to shop. These shirts are very popular here. See, these Om Namah Shivaya. Very hippie feel. Mahakal. See how nice it looks. This is what people take as a souvenir. Ji. So tattoo studio. This is absolutely Goa vibe. You know, I can shop and shop and shop. Hampi vibes are amazing, sir. We'll see you soon. Sure. See those idols. People take these also. When you see the temples, you get this kind of structures. You can see Ram, Lakshman and Sita ji and Hanuman ji. We are in Hampi, and one of the nicest places I would recommend is Mango Tree. This is the restaurant. We are staying in the room which is very close to Virupaksha temple. Raju, who was providing us with all the details. Here he comes. He is really amazing. The service here is excellent and food माउथ वाटरिंग. ओवरवेल्म, बहुत मज़ा आया. और हमारे साथ ओनर ऑफ द प्लेस है मैंगो ट्री के. सर अपना नाम बताइए हमारे जो देखने वाले हैं उनको.
नाम कृष्णा राजू है मैडम.
जी. तो ये कितने साल से चल रहा है और इतना अच्छा कैसे, क्या सीक्रेट है?
क्या है मैडम, एक ही टाइम हमको 36 ईयर्स हो गया. एक ही टाइम नहीं बनाया.
हाँ.
बिफर को बहुत छोटा है इधर से.
हाँ.
मैंगो ट्री का एक ही टाइम को बड़ा नहीं, बिफर का एक चाय का स्टार्ट करेगा.
अच्छा. हाँ, सो चाय से शुरू हुआ, बाद में बड़ा बनता. ओके, दैट्स नाइस. और
हमारा अम्मा, हमारे पापा सब भी फैमिली काम करेगा.
अच्छा.
बाद में थोड़ा बिजी हो गया, बाद में स्टाफ को
लाया.
को
बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू. आपकी सर्विस अच्छी है और मुझे नहीं लगा कि मैं अपने घर में नहीं हूँ, मुझे लगा कि मैं अपने घर में हूँ. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
In the beginning of our vlog, we have seen the Virupaksha temple. Exactly a kilometer from there, you can see a 500-year-old monolithic bull, which is also called Nandi, a sacred vehicle of Lord Shiva. It is carved from a single boulder and hence monolithic. This Nandi faces Virupaksha temple, and this statue ends the Hampi Bazaar, जो काफ़ी आभूषणों से सजाया जाता था पहले. Locals call this Nandi Yeduru Basavanna. And trust me guys, Hampi is a place you shouldn't miss. You should include this place in your bucket list and one day should travel. Because if you're going to miss this, you're going to miss the part of amazing history and what lies behind this Nandi in the valley. I'm going to take you there in my next vlog. So don't forget to subscribe to Namrata's Travel Trails. And I know you're going to like this video, share it and definitely comment below it. I'm waiting for it. So let's stay connected and love our journey with Namrata's Travel Trails.